to them, and they were like, "Whoa, what is this? Can you please go to our studio? We're gonna make something like a collaboration." And so it's going, like, yeah, it was like I think 1 year, and then we had like our dream was already there because we work also with Afro Bros already. Yes. So that was a dream for us, and now we have a collab also with them. So shout out to them, Afro Bros.
It's
also
nice when you guys listen to a few DJs and then you guys met and then you guys collab. It's like a dream come true because hey, I will listen to you guys. It's just like me because I listen to all those mixes. This is the funny part. Last night, I was like this. Hey, I heard about Karyo.
Yeah.
Let me check. I went to check in my car after I finished playing. It's like, hey, Karyo.
Yes.
It's right here. I was like, okay. You guys are famous, my friend. You guys are famous. Let me tell you why. Because I heard the name. I didn't know it was you guys. And when you guys chilling with me right with the DJ booth, it was like, it's an honor to be having you guys in Aruba. That's first.
Thank you.
The thing is, you guys have you guys style, your vibes.
Mm-hmm.
You guys like. It's hard sometimes for like a brothers to understand each other, to connect, and you seems like to be the two guys, like I said, two Afro Bros too. You guys are like connected, you know. One is dancing, one is ready to mix the other one, then the other finish, then the other dance, then the other mix. So it's nice. For you guys, was it easy or was it like when you guys connect to each other, like, hey, the name and things like that, so how are we going to do it? We're going to enter to reggaeton, we're going to enter to hip-hop. Was it easy that moment for that decision to start a thing and you know what, we're going to start this together?
It wasn't easy at first, but we listen to like all kinds of music. Like we love Latin music, we love the dancehall, we love everything that's like rhythm. There's rhythm to it, you know.
Yeah.
The Mumbaton.
The Mumbaton.
Yeah,
of
we
course.
started with that. We started with Mumbaton, but it was not. It was a bit like, at some point, Mumbaton was a bit like going down, and then we had to
adapt to it, you know.
Yeah, like a new sound,
new concept.
Yeah, new concept.
And then we have the bass hall.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's going all around the world right now.
True. Yeah.
I have a friend called Natasha. It's Natasha.
It's Natasha.
I know you have a song with her too.
Yeah, we have a song.
Turn up.
Turn up.
Yeah, it's nice man.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, bro.
And so the collab with artists goes and on and on and on, and now you guys are on top with the music industry. Like, you know, you guys there, DJ presenting. I heard about the 50 Cent remix.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about that. What can the people expect from Karyo from now on?
Yeah, a lot of remixes, of course, and a lot of originals. How do you say that? We just want to like take big songs and put a new twist to it, for like to give it like an aggressive sound, you know, to give it the Karyo sound, to make it our own. That's what we really want to do, you know.
And who bring the effect? Hey, Karyo! How it started?
Oh yeah, that's our we made a mixtape, the first mixtape, the Karyo mixtape, and we had a colleague who we were working with that time. His name is MC Knowledge.
Okay.
He's from Portugal. I think he's Portuguese guy, and he was doing it, and then he was just saying some things for the mixtape, and then we heard that part like Karyo, run it, and then we thought, this is it. This is it.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the tech.
This is it.
The tech. Yeah, man.
And you guys are here.
We guys are here. We are ready. Always ready.
Cool FM, we are here.
Nice, man. So ABC, I know you guys gonna be in Aruba tonight. You guys in Hidden. Tomorrow you're on the boat.
Yep.
Then you got Curacao. Then you have Bonaire. Yep. Tell us a little bit about the ABC tour. What can people expect?
What can they expect? Yeah, what can they expect? A lot of energy from us, a lot of new exclusive productions from us, and of course our famous remixes, the Gasolina remix, the Rude Boy remix, the Single Ladies remix, but also the originals that we have with Afro Bros. So a lot of crazy things like energy, vibes.
You guys MC by yourself? You guys are picking the mic by yourself, or
not yet? We are trying to learn it more, but I feel you have to be there. You know, when you MC, you have to be like full energy.
If you,
you know?
want to join you guys for Tomorrowland, we can do that.
Oh yeah, that would be dope.
Yeah, man. 101 with Karyo Tomorrowland. That's gonna be dope.
That's gonna be dope, yeah.
But we actually have like an MC.
Yeah. We have to give him a shout out. We have to give him a shout out.
MC Not.
MC Not?
MC Not, yeah.
But he's not here with you guys.
He's not here.
No, shout out Not, man.
Yeah. But it's crazy.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
He's crazy. So we have to. Not has to go with us to Tomorrowland also. Yeah.
Yeah. And one big thing right now for you guys. You guys are here. How it started and how you guys link up to be in Tomorrowland, because there's a lot of DJs.
Yeah.
That has more years, and you guys in a short term.
Yeah.
You guys conquer already the world to start doing the thing in the big stage like Tomorrowland.
Yes.
It could be one of the stages, but you guys are in Tomorrowland.
Yes, that's crazy.
Man, it's crazy.
So, how is it for you guys? The big deal going on that you guys got a call like, hey guys, you guys are in Tomorrowland. How was the feeling that moment?
Yeah, how it was. Yeah, that moment. Just I have to describe the moment, like at that point. Yeah, I get contact with Team Dump. Shout out to Team Dump from Belgium.
Yeah,
they also made dancehall Shatta beats, and they were like they love our music, and they they have a stage there in Tomorrowland, the Team Dump stage, Bombeklad, I think.
Yeah,
Elixir.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. They were calling us. They said, we love your sound, man. We need you guys to Tomorrowland. So, yeah, man. By this, it's gonna be confirmed.
Shout out Team Dump, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Crazy, man. Crazy. For real, man. And so tonight, you guys hidden. Tomorrow, you guys at the boat party. Aruba vibes. You already know a few words of Aruba. Aruba Kita Kiko.
I don't know even if you have to learn us, teach us.
Say Aruba.
Aruba.
Kita Kitko.
Kita Kiko.
Kita Kiko.
Kita Kiko.
It's good? Now you're gonna say Ami.
Ami.
Gusta. A chick. Di Aruba.
What did he say? What
would we say?
Aruba, what's going on? You know, like Aruba Kita Kiko. So Aruba, Amita Gusta chick Di Aruba. So I like the girls from Aruba.
Okay, that's the only thing we need, man. That's the only thing we need.
Nice. Hey, shout out to my friend Judy.
Yes. Shout out Judy.
I don't know if I have to call it Judy West or Judy Kardashian, you know? I don't know anymore, man. But it's crazy. We gotta have the team together, man. For real, man. For real.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk to her to bring like for the brunch. You know, maybe we do with Cool FM. We do with the radio. We bring something on the beach, or we do something big.
That will be crazy.
Get ready for that too, man.
We love that.
So, for the music, what's the next music that you guys gonna shoot? What is the next that you're gonna shoot like a remix?
Yeah, we have a new release next week at Bass Hall. It's called Shot Today. It's with it's dancehall Shatta with Shockman.
Oh.
Yeah. It's gonna be crazy.
Yes, that's crazy, man.
We're gonna play it also in the show, so you're gonna hear it. Yeah, Shot Today.
Nice one. So once again, I want to let you guys know that Cool FM is your house. Anytime you know, we're gonna be in touch. And Judy can tell you guys about this. I really like it. I support you guys, and Ed also can know that. I know Ed like 2 decades already. Something like that. 3.
Like 4.
No, don't say about the decades because people will think that we're so old.
2.5 months.
Yeah, but it's crazy. But you know, Ed is a guy that that support you guys too. You know, he's a guy that comes here. Hey, I have this DJs. You know, sometimes he also come and tell me when I'm playing. Hey, you know, I have two. You know those 2 DJs I have. You know, that's Ed, and I like it because, for one, like you know, it's somebody that believes and knows what Aruba needs, and he brings it.
Yeah,
and that's Ed.
Shout out Ed, man.
Shout out, big shout out.
I like his hat, man. Did you got that from last night? Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Huh?
Yeah.
We got this one right. Crazy, but Karyo, once again, this is your house, Cool FM.
Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
One love to you guys too, and shout out to all the staff. We got. I know they're watching right now.
Yeah, man.
So shout out to all of the staff right here, and I support you. Cool FM support you guys to the max. So
thank you so much. That's love,
Thank you
brother.
so much.
And what we're gonna do? Every single hits you guys throw out, like, just bring it to me. We play it.
Of course,
Yes,
bro.
of course.
We
Let's do
got
it.
this one. We got this one. We got this one. Karyo,
Run it.
run it. Karyo.
Número uno se fue con dos en el cuarto delante. En cuatro lo partió.
Aruba nanda con nos din studio.
La ley se la fija en el
Ora vos escuchen anda na Aruba.
no se fue con dos en el cuarto delante.
Oh yeah. I heard after the Bull Party they're gonna be with DJ101 tomorrow, eh? Get ready, huh? Get ready.